Hey guys, I'm Brittney Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I will be reviewing these Amazon brushes I ordered recently and they're finally here, so let's get into the video. I'm really excited. As you know, well, I don't know if you watched my previous videos or not, but I love packages. These brushes only cost $11 and I'll make sure to link them in the description box. They're by Refran. I kind of smell like brownies or something, but I think that just might be my dorm. But this is the box. So these are like all of the brushes that it comes with. So it comes with a powder brush, 2 powder brushes, 3. It comes with a lot of brushes. I think I'll post this picture somehow. It smells like nail polish or something. I don't know. It does have a smell though. And it comes with how many brushes? I'm not sure how many. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 3, 18 brushes. That's really nice. Oh! Dropped one. But that's really nice. I guess I could test some of them out for you. So I really been wanting like a nice blending eyeshadow brush and a nice powder brush. So let me take out the biggest, I believe this is the biggest brush. Let me use, what do I want to use? So I guess I'll just get my contour palette from BH Cosmetics and I'll see how much product it can get. I already have makeup on, so it picks up a nice amount of product, the powder brush. But what I was really excited about was the blending brush, like I said. Not this kind of brush, but now this one. So let me use one of my palettes. Let me see which one. I'll just use my Full Eyes palette from BH Cosmetics. Which one what color should we use? Let's see how it picks up this blue color. The bottom, I almost a hair on there. I really don't want to put this on, but oh, it gets a nice amount. I look a little foolish, but it gets a nice amount. It really does. It picks up a little. It's a nice amount, I guess. You can definitely see it better on my eye. It comes with a great brush that I think may work as a dupe for the Anastasia Duo 21 or 12 brush, I believe. I think it'll be a great dupe for that because I paid $20-something for that brush. It has a spoolie, which is something that you always need. A lipstick brush, like a lip brush. These are for eyes. So these are more so your face brushes. And these are more eye brushes. Brushes were some of the most highly rated brushes on Amazon, actually, when I look up makeup brush sets. So I don't know. I'll check it out when I don't have makeup on. I mean, these are decent brushes so far, but I can't really judge them. I'll make sure to give you all an update. I'm just picking them all up right now. These are a lot of brushes though, for only $11. I'm gonna test these out tomorrow when I do my makeup, and we'll see how it goes, and I'll make sure to give you all an update. But so far, I'll give them a 7. Definitely give them a 7. They feel good. Honestly, they smell normal. It was the packaging that this box smells weird, but the brushes smell normal. See how it goes tomorrow. Thank you all for watching this unboxing review of the Amazon brushes. the Amazon brush set from Refran Brushes. Make sure you all like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what brush sets you've tried from Amazon. And thank you all for watching. Have a great day.